Nah, I don't want none. I just want to look at it. What's that? Chili pie? Frito pie? Yeah, it's still steaming. Well, you in right here, man. I'll take the left side. Fuck it, man. You do? You want the left, too? Twisted Soul, what's up, man? I've been waiting on you for about 16 minutes and 28 seconds. They were talking about my title ain't correct. I had to get on my phone. Oh, watch it. I knew he was, man, I was really scared for the Mustang driver. All right, y'all, where you at on this one? Uh-oh. Catch this on my TV. If you got a Samsung phone, I guess try to mirror the phone. Mirror the phone to your TV. If you're on a computer, hit Alt plus F4 key. Look out, Fu Manchu in the building, y'all. Here come a little Roush Mustang. Let me make sure you got that intake. Hey, Poquito, you got that intake? He look like he got it, y'all. Okay. Yeah, you got some. It's good over here. Got a little charge on her, y'all. I'm glad he got some tires. I hope he can hook. Yeah, he got a little blow on there. You hear him? Other car. Oh, yeah, you don't care. He got a blow on. Yeah, I see. I heard it. See what he... My bad. Oh yeah, this side. Dale mojate. Dale mojate, dale para atrás. Oh boy, was telling them to go for about three minutes. No, man. Hey, man. Hey, man, I got the other side, man. The other side? Smart, man. I go over there, man. He don't even know what he doing, man. I'll take this side. Fuck it. I'll give you ours. I'll take this side, man. Let me give you some ours. You gonna give me ours? Yeah, I'll give you ours. I'll take this side. No, I want this side. I want this side. I'll give you ours. Yeah. I'll give you what? What you want to do? 15 to 10? 15 to 10. He got a supercharger. He on the motor. But he on the motor though. What you rather have, a supercharger or a 10-speed? You giving up? What you rather?
Juice. He got some juice. That blower is like some juice.
Yeah. He talking about he rather have a 10-speed. What y'all rather have? A blower or a 10-speed?
Fuck it, I got right side. Fuck. I'm ahead, 15, nigga. That 5. Scary ass nigga.
I was giving you odds. Red light. Oh, shit. My boy got some good brakes. He want that thing to stop, y'all. That's my boy, y'all. He ain't racing so long, y'all. He antique to this stuff. Is that him driving? Let's see what he gonna do, y'all. Where y'all at on this one? Oh, you got the Vette? You got the Camaro? Who said Vette then? I need to go on. That's you? Okay, how much? How much, man? Let's bet, man. I bet with the Camaro now. 10 G's. How much the car costs?
There he got a stingray. Yeah, he lost that.
Man, that thing there running, y'all. Random robbers in the building, y'all. Man, he said he got 100 on the Camaro. Damn, man. I think, I want this side, man. I want the Camaro, too.
I want the Camaro, too.
Let me see what he do, man. Left lane. Yeah, left lane. Yeah, we picked the right car. We picked the right car. Hey, not me. Not me. Damn, they over there exchanging that cash over there. Look out. Cam's Life 12 is in the building. The Fu Manchu. Still in the shop, looking ugly. In the garage, looking ugly.